We're early on in developing our channel, and we've hinted at shipping containers, but thus far we haven't seen any, right? Well, that's going to change this coming week when the three containers show up. And before that, we're going to give you a look at what the rendering of the house is going to look like, as well as the floor plan and some of the footage that we took during the foundation prep and installation phase of the project. Mentioned in a previous video, the site excavation crew is working on this large boulder. What they're doing is they're pecking at it with a jackhammer on the small excavator, and they're lifting it and dropping it over another rock with a larger excavator that attempt to break it in half or break it in chunks. They eventually do this before the afternoon's out, and they finish the excavation of the foundation the same day. Early on in the design phase, we decided to build a full basement foundation for our container build. This is going to be a walkout basement since we're on the slope of a hill. And we then needed to decide whether to do a traditional poured-in-place foundation or to use a precast foundation system. We decided to go with the superior wall system because it's damp-proof and gives us an R21 wall once installed. There's no additional insulation that's needed. Here we see one of the 15 wall panels being put in place by the Weaver Precast group. Thanks for checking out our project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed our content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos once we post them.